Megara Iblea was one of the most powerful Greek colonies of Sicily. It was founded in 1729. When Greeks arrived, they were greeted by King Hiblin, who preferred to maricaro rather than defend the city. The Greeks were grateful for this and gave the city a double name: Megara, like the Greek city from which they originated, and Iblea, like the Sicily king that they found. Not long after, Megara became one of the most powerful Siciliot cities. According to Thucydides, Seleucide was founded in the mid-7th century before Christ by the Megarian people. The city now looks exactly as it once did. Certainly, the city plan somehow having been preserved by a constant isolation of the site. In recent decades, Megara has been literally surrounded by an industrial area, and besides lending a special charm to the area, it has really been put up in a glass case and thus protected. One enters the area from the north side and begins to walk by the very beautiful ruins of the city, with the roads virtually intact. Near the sea, one can see impressive ruins including the agora, the urban structure, and the remains of the walls, houses, temples. Of great impact in the western side, the city wall. Just close to this, on the southern side, is a beautiful house with a mosaic floor that even now has the owner's name engraved in it, Guaiu Madiu.
In this part of the town there is a most renowned house of Megara Iblea, the house of Niaoi Modoi, that has written his name here at the entrance on the floor.